For the hot chocolate mug cake, you will need sugar, baking powder, hot chocolate mix, a measuring cup, milk, a mug, flour, and vegetable oil. So first you're going to start off with 4 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Next you will add in 2 tablespoons of hot chocolate mix or the whole package to make it more chocolate flavor. Then you will need 1/4 tablespoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, 2 tablespoons of sugar, 5 tablespoons of milk, and 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. For this mix, it only filled up half of the mug, so if you guys want to make it a full mug cake, I recommend doubling all the ingredients. Now you're going to mix it and pour it or scoop it into your mug. Now place it in the microwave for about a minute. I started off with 50 seconds, then I added 10 more seconds, depending on how strong your microwave is. And here's your hot chocolate mug cake.